Hey guys, welcome back. I know that I already posted this assignment, but just to kind of give you a visual, what you're doing is creating some kind of pendulum somewhere around your area, and then you're going to just have your pendulum oscillate. And as it oscillates, use the timer on your phone or some other device to time it as it oscillates. Count your oscillations. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. 5 to 10 oscillations should give you a good range. And then when it's done, you're going to use that time to find the period and the frequency and eventually to calculate the length of the pendulum. I just wanted to give you guys hands-on practice with this and let you be a little creative in terms of the pendulum that you make. Anyway, hopefully this clarified what you're doing. Okay, so once you finish your video, then what you're going to want to do is show me a calculation on how you're going to turn that video into a length of the pendulum. So when you did your video, you timed it, and hopefully you remember that a period is one full swing back and forth. So show me how you got the period based on the total time and the number of oscillations that you counted. Then show me how you took that period and used it in the formula for the period of a pendulum and solve it for the length of the pendulum. When you get your answer, it's going to be in meters, but if you'd like to display your final answer in centimeters, if that's more appropriate, feel free to do that. You can include this calculation and your description of it in your video, or you could have this as a totally separate file.